how to get the missing App Store back on Android phone. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to restore the Play Store in just a few simple steps. First, check if the Play Store was only removed from your home screen. Swipe up to open the app drawer and look for Google Play Store. If you find it, press and hold the Play Store icon, then tap Add to Home, or drag it back to your home screen. If the Play Store isn't there, open the Settings app. Next, tap Apps. Then tap the sort or filter icon and enable Show System Apps if needed. Now scroll down and tap Google Play Store. If you see the Enable button, tap it to turn the Play Store back on. After that, go back to your home screen or app drawer and check if the Play Store has been restored. That's it. Your Google Play Store should now be available again, and you can start downloading and updating apps as usual. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.